Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers and especially some people who inspired me to do more and more questions. So this is a Canadian Math Olympiad question. It is a very simple question for what will real values of k 1988x square plus kx plus 8891 and 8891 x square plus kx plus 1988 have a common 0. So let the polynomial we name as p of x equals to 1988x square k times of x plus 8891 and other let it be q of x equals to 8891x square plus k times x plus 1988. You can see a beautiful pattern. Now let x0 be the common zero of these two. That means p of x0 is equals to 0 and q of x0 equals to 0, or p of x0 minus q of x0 is also again 0. So if we subtract px minus qx, it will be 1988 x square minus 8891 x square plus kx will be cancelled, plus 8891 minus 1988 is 0. So this gives us minus 6903 x0 square plus 6903 is 0. That means x square minus 1 equals to 0 or x0 equals to plus minus 1. When x0 is equals to 1, putting in p of x0, we'll get 1988 1 square plus k into 1 plus 8891 equals to 0. This gives us k equals to negative 10879. If x0 equals to minus 1 in any of this polynomial, we'll get so this k equals to 10879. So the value of k is plus minus 10879. So thank you for watching.